Hey folks, time now for your legal minutes, and that's why I'm joined by Brent Stewart and Elizabeth VonCannon from Stewart Law Offices. And let's talk about car accidents, automobile accidents. They happen often. You have to be protected. You have to talk to the right kind of people. Now, for somebody that is in an accident and they're in the unfortunate place that they may be at fault, what can people really go after?
Well, the insurance industry and a lot of other types of industries have gone out of their way to make it look like people are losing everything in accidents. In 30 years, we have yet to take an asset from anybody. If you have assets and you're concerned about losing them in a car wreck or any other kind of situation, you need to go to your insurance agent and they should tell you about something called excess coverage. Excess coverage is reasonably cheap compared to what it protects you for, and it's something that everybody that has any type of assets really needs to carry.
Now, on the other side of the coin, if somebody is in a car accident, what can they be compensated for?
Sure. So the biggest thing I would say is your injuries, and what they're going to look at for that is your medical bills. You also are compensated for the property damage to your vehicle. If your vehicle's totaled, what they usually do is give you the blue book value of your car, whatever that might be. Beyond your medical bills, we also want to factor in pain and suffering, what you went through from the accident, loss of enjoyment of life, if you have to miss time from work and maybe you're not able to return to work in the same capacity that you were before the accident. We want to look at lost wages. And so those would be the main things. Typically, the starting point would be your injuries, your medical bills, and then we kind of go from there.
This is an entire process when this all happens. For somebody that's involved in this, how long does it usually take for them to be compensated after a wreck?
There's really no answer to that, and a lot of it depends on how long it takes for you to reach what I like to call maximum medical improvement. I don't want to file your case for injuries until I am at the point where I can say, here's what they are, here are it affects them in the past, and here are the medicals they may need into the future. Because if anybody tries to settle too quickly, they're gonna miss those injuries. Likewise, I think when somebody's at maximum medical improvement, I don't think the lawyer should sit too long on trying to ascertain what those future damages will be so that they can try to start to get their case resolved.
Whichever side of the coin you may be at, you always need somebody there giving you the advice and being in your corner, and that's exactly what Brent and Elizabeth are doing. Thanks for the insight, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This QC Morning segment was sponsored by Stewart Law Offices.